racing just started. We have Palasig. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Prince Larry. Stormbreaker comes next. Running by Daryl Coquette. Atoy for us. Then followed over by Malihim. Then next online is Golden Harry. Imperial Story. While Shifty is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. We have Prince Larry now takes command by about 4 lengths. Palasig in second. Moving up now on the outside, Coquette. Then followed over by Atoy for us. Golden Harry. Then next online now is Malihim. Moving up now on the outside is Stormbreaker. Then next online Imperial Story, while Shifty is still racing unless we have Prince Larry by about 4 lengths. Then here comes Coquette now coming closer. Golden Harry likewise moving up, and on the outside Atoy for us, Palasig. Then comes Shifty, Malihim, Stormbreaker, while Imperial Story now racing in last 400 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Coquette. Golden Harry on the outside, Prince Larry. Then comes Shifty, Atoy for us, Malihim is down on the inside as they swing for home. We have Coquette followed now by Golden Harry on the outside. Shifty in the middle portion now saying excuse me to take the lead. We have Shifty followed by Golden Harry, and finally it's Shifty, Golden Harry, Coquette, then comes Malihim, Atoy for us, Prince Larry.
Yun, 14528. Shifty. Donoy Raquel